Today's new video. Today it is the 5th of November. It is Bonfire today, isn't it? Yes. So I'm going to show you 3 t-shirts of mine, what I just bought. Just say thank you to my dad because I only bought all of it. And I'll show you the t-shirts now. Let's see. So we have this Under Armour one. I have this Nike one. And finally I have this FIFA one. Write in the comments which one I should wear for the bonfire today. Right, next, you'll see my boots and my pants. But first off, I have something for my mouth. I'll put it on to show you what it is. There you go. It's a neck warmer. This is a neck warmer. It keeps your neck nice and warm. Next, so boots. These are my pants. And yes. And you know when I did my bedroom tour, my dad's just put something on for me. I have 2 new things. So the cupboard, and I have a signatures what my Uncle Chris gave me. So a big thank you to him. Something what my dad ordered, and some more signatures what Chris gave me. So another thank you to him. Okay, that is all of the time for today, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs up, like and subscribe. See you in a new video. Bye. Peace out.